Welcome. If you want to change the display refresh rate in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on display, and right now we have to go right here for the refresh rate, and we got three options: automatically set up, 90 Hz and 60. So the 60, we are going to save some battery. When you go for the 90, we'll get the very smooth animation. And auto, it will just automatically adjust the refresh rate, depends of what we are doing. So if you are watching some videos, it's going to be set up on the 90 Hz. When you are reading something, it's going to change on the 60 or even lower to save the battery, right? So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.